Okay, pangalan?
Sa Liliksay.
Taga saan?
Patindigin sa
Patindigin. Okay, next challenger natin guys. Taga Patindigin, si Morsalin. Okay. Kaya ba 2 minutes?
Kaya sir.
Okay. Timer. Start. Go!
Buwaya sa strategy.
Fifty seconds.
Usay 600.
1 minute and 30 seconds. Seconds.
Kamay naman.
Okay, time's up. Grabe, may nanalo na ng 200. Okay guys, so yung time is 2 minutes and 32 seconds. So unfortunately, hindi yan na-beat yung 2 minutes na 600. But for now, meron siyang 200. Ah, grabe. Congrats, congrats. Grabe. Wala mo kung gigikuan mo. Ayun, ayun na, oy.
Pero daw lapit na compulsion nun.
Okay guys, so hindi yan na-beat yung 2 minutes. So next time, yung 600, dagdagan natin ng 100. So 700 na po yung jackpot price natin. So for now, 2 minutes, meron kang 200.
Salamat sir.
Oh, kuya. Okay.